and say good morning.
Good morning. Oh, you guys started without me.
Okay, guys, so it's 3 in the... So it's 3 in the morning. It's a Saturday. What day? April 8th. I don't know what date it is. It's my baby's birthday, and we're going on a vacation. These next 6 videos are gonna be nothing but day in and day out of doing things. So make sure y'all stay tuned, and let's go wake up the birthday girl.
Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David. Hoy por ser tu cumpleaños te las cantamos aquí. Despierta, mi bien, despierta. Mira que ya amaneció.
Malani, we have one more surprise for you from yesterday. Let's go check it out. Come on, come on, come on.
Qué linda está la mañana en que vengo a saludarte. Venimos todos con...
All right, now it's time to get ready for the plane. I'm already ready, so let's start getting the girls ready here. There. All right, I think the animal family is ready. Let me see. Wow, looking gorgeous, my cuties. Yeah, you're smaller. Thanks to Mama. Oh, yeah, barely, but yeah. We got all of our stuff ready for the plane, but yeah. Alright, just to show you guys that we are not lying. It is 3 in the morning. We just packed everything in the car. It's not so organized, but don't worry about that. And let me put this in. Okay, so we're at the airport, Malani. Marylu.
Yo, it's Malani.
Wait, maybe I should go help bring the stuff down, huh? Hey, yo, that's not a bookie.
Yes, it is. You gotta go.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, okay, sure. We're at the gate. Gate 3 is our gate, and oh, we just figured it out. Bringing the car seats. How you doing, little Miss Lonnie? She had a little fall, so she's a little sad, but she'll be fine. How about you, Marylu? How you feeling?
Just so excited.
That's the smallest. Check out the shirt. Just got it yesterday. Five Below, shout out, sponsor me. Love you guys. But Anna is chilling with the girls. They're at the gate already. I'm gonna go get some food. Oh my goodness, that was a long line. Got some breakfast. Not the healthiest, but you ready? Okay, finally in the plane. Plane is moving. The girls, I don't know how the girls feel about this. Pretty cool already. They even give us headphones with it. How you feel, boo? She has a headache.
back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
Alright, welcome to Atlanta, Georgia. Babe, Anna, why are you leaving me? Whoa, look at this. There's a train inside the airport. You guys ready to go on a train? I haven't ever been on a train, bro. Have you?
I haven't.
I've never been on a train, no. This is so cool. I've never been on a train.
We get it.
You want to get them real quick?
You wanna get them?
I know where they're at.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, just
But,
'cause they're gonna have their tablets on full blast.
Yeah, Anna's gonna go get the headsets. We finally got here. Say what's up, Dave.
Did I lock you in?
Hey girls, how you feeling? Yeah?
Hey!
You guys looking cozy because it's a little cold over here, huh? But feels good.
Let's see. It's
a
the
little
dashboard says it's 54.
54. It's easy. I'm from Cali.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so Dave's putting a dog away. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. This is the house that we're gonna be staying in for the next 5 videos that you guys will watch. Hey, Dave.
Hey.
There's Dave, and here's my little lady. They can start getting inside. Oh, yeah. Come on, start getting in. The faster you can. The faster you can. I don't want to kiss. I don't want to kiss. Malani. Hey, Taco. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hey, Taco. Come here, boy. How you been? How you been? That's my good boy. That's my good boy. How you been? Oh, what's the birthday girl making?
Been raining all day.
What you making, Mama? Pizza, I see that. So we're making some pizza from scratch. You know, Anna and the family here, we're having a little nightcap. Where's Marylu? Marylucci. And Marylu's over here. Well, hey there, boy. What you doing at the stairs? It's a little funnier, huh? All right, will you be safe, okay? Pizza's almost done. All right, so we're out here. This is my dog, Taco. Hey, boy, how are you? About 5 years old. Got him 5 years ago, but now he stays here. Look at this. This is his backyard. Just to emphasize on Taco's backyard, look at this. We're still in the property. About 30 acres of this. Okay. What? What's wrong with this? I had a little runny nose, guys. It's really cold over here in Atlanta. And Marylu and Malani. Hi, my loves. You guys have a great first day? It was kind of slow because it was raining today.
Malani. Last minutes of your birthday.
Happy. Love you, girls. Babe.